Hello, in front of me I've got Haier HD80. In this video I'll show you all filters location. First filter we can locate is behind this water tank. Next we've got two filters inside the tub. The first filter is right here. And the second filter is behind it. Remember to clean all the filters each time you use your dryer. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.